Good morning. Another beautiful day in the mountains. Hope everybody's doing fine and dandy. Hope everything's going your way. What a way to start the day, right? I got a good plan for today. I'm going to cut an access hole into that wall. I got to fix that plumbing. That might make a good video. Maybe. I'll do it anyways. All right, I've got me a huge access panel so I can get to this plumbing pipe and cover the hole. Let me show you how to put one of those in. First thing I had to do is make a little room. I've measured from the outside and I know that my pipe is 12 inches from the wall. That's where it's coming in, right there. So it should be right behind there. So I would say it probably comes in and then turns, if I remember right. I could look at my old footage from when I built it, but I think I remember it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a hole just to put my eyes on it, a smaller hole, and we'll go from there. All right, I can see that I have a stud right here because of the nails, and my 12-inch mark is right here. So I think I'm gonna drill me a hole. George, you're making it difficult. Somewhere over here, just see what's going on. George, you're in the way. Okay. So the pipe comes up right here and turns about here. So that means what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this measurement right here onto that wall. 13 3/4 and 13 3/4. I'm sure that's what it is. All right, I can feel it. All right, I drew me the square 13 3/4 by 13 3/4, and I think that's where I want it. So I'm gonna cut that out now. Love's all around us. Let love surround us. All right, I've got it cut out. What I'm thinking is not that I had missed last time and that joint down here didn't have enough glue. I think that this was split farther up than what I was able to get to from the bottom. So I'm just gonna probably cut that thing right here and redo it. But you can see how the panel fits in there. It's nice and square and straight. So that'll work. Now I have access. I used that super duper caulk. It's some kind of, what is it? It's for roofing and stuff. And it is so tight that I cannot even pound that 1-inch pipe out of that hole. So what I will do, I'll run the new pipe, which is going to be smaller, right through it, right through the center of it. Let me cut that off and make it shorter. So what I have is this 1-inch is stuck into the floor because I glued it with super glue. So I left a piece in there, and I'll take the new pipe, which is going to be this, and I'll just run it through it. So it should work out. Don't you just love plumbing? Now I'm going to run and make my second trip for parts, because it always takes at least 2 trips when you're doing a plumbing job. So I just came back from the hardware store, and I'm looking, look at that. That turkey's back again. He's eating my corn from the deer feeder. Now that's pretty cool. He's pretty tame. I'm surprised he didn't take off when I pulled up. That's cool. I love seeing the wildlife. Alrighty, here we go again. I got everything primed. Put some glue on this. Put some glue on this. Wipe off the excess. Okay. Now this thing converted from 1-inch to 1/2 inch. So we're on that. Wipe off the excess. All right then. Take this pipe, get through the hole. That's gonna do. Okay, I certainly hope I got her this time. All right, the last little bit, I got to glue both sides at the same time. Okay. Okay, it's been a couple hours, so I'm going to turn the water on, see if I got it fixed. Here we go. So far so good. Okay. Yay. Go team, right? Here we go. There you go. We're back at it. Well, I made some changes, so I don't expect these pipes to freeze again. But if they do, it's probable that they would freeze in the same place. So now I have access in case anything crazy happens again. There you go. Now I have access. It's that simple. Plenty of water. And thank God, no leaks. Yay. I was beginning to wonder there. Okay. I could have just gave up and called a plumber. But I didn't. I stuck with it and I got her done. Yay! I think it had a split in that pipe, and that Schedule 80 is really thick, and I couldn't see it and couldn't feel it, but it was in there. I'm sticking with that. Hey, thanks for coming along. We'll catch y'all on the next one.